my last one. No more heartbeats, I took my last one. I can see the stars shining in the daytime. I feel my soul leave me, nigga, I ain't last. I take my last stand and I take my last step. I hope the Lord walking with me as I take my last breath. Forgive me for my sins, you know I'm not perfect. Trying to hold on to this life, but I wonder if it's even worth it. Before I go, just let my kids know I love them. Tell they daddy was a hustler and he made it through the struggle. No more sinning days, guess I didn't live my life. I could avoid all that shit, but I ain't listen that night. Look, I was on my way, I was almost home, but now I'm laying in this bed, fucking almost gone. Damn, y'all give a nigga a second to think, but it ain't shit on your mind because it's hard to breathe. Never thought I'd see the day I drown in my own blood, and the nigga who shot me can't believe he's my own blood. It's a cold world, I'm just hoping I make it. I sent some prayers up top and I'm just hoping they made it. Next breath I take might be my last one. No more heartbeats, I took my last one. I can see the stars shining in the daytime. I feel my soul leave me, nigga, I ain't lying. Next breath I take might be my last one. No more heartbeats, I took my last